pores. They're something that every person has on their skin and are an essential feature of our skin. I'm asked so often in clinic, how can I get rid of my pores? And the simple answer is you can't, nor should you want to. Pores are absolutely essential for our skin to function healthily. They're the small, tiny hole in our skin through which a hair follicle emerges to the surface. So what can happen, however, is that for various reasons our pores can start to appear larger, and that can be something that happens even in our teenagers, especially in people with oilier skin, or it can happen in later life. So if you have increased oil production in your skin, whether that's in your teens or you suffer from adult acne, or it's something that you develop in later life due to hormonal imbalances, the increased oil within the pores themselves can cause that pore to become more dilated. So if this is what's happening in your skin, that you're an oilier skin type and you're struggling with large pores, then I'd really recommend looking at two key ingredients, one of which is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid, and it's great if you've got an oilier skin type because it really does cut through oil. So it's oil soluble, meaning it can really penetrate through the skin. As an added bonus, it also can be slightly bactericidal, so it can help to control levels of harmful bacteria in the skin and reduce your risk of a breakout. So by helping to reduce the oil production with something like salicylic acid, it can start to help. The other good ingredient to use is a retinoid, because retinoids again can help to decrease our oil production. So it's definitely worth considering adding one in. If you're starting to introduce both salicylic and a retinoid, even though you might have an oilier skin and think your skin's a bit more robust and resilient, it can become overloaded with too many active ingredients. So start off by using them at opposite ends of the day. Now, in extreme cases, you could also consider, under the care of a dermatologist, using oral prescription medications to help reduce the oil production of the skin, and that can give a long-term, long-lasting solution, but of course can come with risks and side effects which need to be balanced out carefully. The other main cause of larger pores is through aging, and as we age we lose collagen, we lose the foundation of the skin, we lose those core proteins that keep our skin firm, springy and bouncy. Now, as that skin framework starts to disintegrate, the pore loses its support. It's like the scaffolding's being taken down from around it, and so it can appear more dilated and larger. Again, you could think about using good collagen stimulating ingredients in your skincare routine, particularly thinking about retinoids here, but there are also treatments that can be quite effective to help reduce the appearance of pores. I'm a big fan of using Venus Viva nanofractional radiofrequency, for example, or even a form of radiofrequency microneedling can be a great choice. These use tiny needles to deliver some sort of energy, usually radiofrequency, into the skin and stimulate some collagen and elastin formation. You may even find that through a collagen stimulating treatment like soft wave that your pores do appear reduced. And then thinking about whether or not injectables are an option, sometimes they can be, and there are certain types of facials which can incorporate a mesotherapy type technique using wrinkle relaxing injections, and that can again be seen to help reduce the appearance of pores. I would definitely advocate getting an expert consultation if pores are a big concern for you, because they're not an easy feature of the skin to improve the appearance of, and you want to be making sure that if you're having treatments and using good products that you're investing your money in the right places. So these are my kind of top tips and key pillars, and do consider having that expert advice because I think it will make a big difference. If this content has been useful for you, please give it a thumbs up or send me a little message below, and please do subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this.